Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Microsoft Teams app on your desktop. If you have been using Teams for a while and need to sign out, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. Make sure you are logged in, as you won't be able to sign out unless you are currently logged in. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the app. You should see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture and a drop down menu will appear. In the menu, you will see the option to sign out. Simply click sign out and the confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you are sure you want to sign out. Don't worry, just click sign out again to confirm. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of Microsoft Teams. It's really that easy, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.